Just subscribe the button and click the bell icon and go to the and just click the link below for everything. Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to unblock someone if someone block you, okay, on Instagram. This is so simple method. So for this purpose you have to just go to your Instagram, okay. Many options with you for this purpose. Okay, so I will show this is my account. If someone this is my account, okay. Now I have no friend, but if you I have if in another account I have someone that who blocked me, okay. So what can I do? I can't do anything. So just go to the messaging app, okay. If someone blocked me, okay, I block someone if someone block me. So how there is no one that block me, but what you do if you have someone that block you? For this purpose you have to just go to the setting button, okay. Now just I see to you there is many option. First option, go to the setting option. After when you go to the setting option, just go to the setting and privacy, okay. Go to the first option with you is to click on the if that person, if you follow that person, okay. For example, if you have followed that person, you have to remove them, okay. Follower, okay, you have to remove them from the follower link and from the following, from both unfollow. For example, unfollow it, okay. You have to do both thing, okay. Unfollow them and follow them, you have to do both. For example, if this is a person, if you follow it, unfollow it and remove from this follow, okay. Now after when you do this option, just go to your profile, and profile just click on the edit profile. And when you click on the edit profile, okay, wait that everything. Now click on the username, you have to change username. When you change the username and just save this, okay. After saving this, you change the username. Now again you change the username. Now it's again with you. You have to just find that person which you want, okay, which you want to address, okay, which you want to follow. You have to search their username and follow them and then again. This is so simple method, okay. And the second option, if your username don't know, you will have to create another account, and from another account you have to message them. It's so simple method video, okay. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like and comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.